going on, guys? This is Alicia with Tint World. So I've been here since the opening. I do the detailing and the ceramic coatings for the shop. So pretty much leather restoration, headlights, ceramic coatings, regular washings, interior vacs, anything that's a detail, that's me. It's an amazing brand. I have an amazing team of coworkers that teach me and help me every day. And I love learning here, and I love the experience that Tint World is giving me as an employee. I mean, we see all types of customers, and it doesn't matter to us. We're here to help customers, and we want to educate them on cars, whether it be tint, whether it be detail and paint correction, or just, selling audio speakers. We love to do it all here. We have the quality products. We have the vendors. We have the training that they come to us, and they train us not only on ceramic coatings, but tint, the PPF. There's even a workshop for 12-volt that they get to go to Dallas, and they get more comprehensive training. So everything about Tint World, we're here to teach each other, but also learn and continue with our experience as well. So we do keep the shop clean. We do a nightly cleaning every day. We have something where we do our VIP tours. So we do show people the shop around. We do show people, hey, we're currently working on our car. You want to take a glimpse? We come in. So we do make it a safe area so they can come in and see and safely sit around and see, like, this is what we're doing to your car. We have a lot of people, they ask questions as we're doing the work. We love to show them. We love to give them a first-hand experience of what we're truly doing and how comprehensive we go and why we are what we are and the brand we give out.